Touchdown confirmed.
Releasing the straps now.
Deep beneath these waters lies a lost cargo container filled with Lamborghini Supercars. In this mission, you'll see how giant machines lift rare Lamborghini cars from the ocean floor. Subscribe to Silent Factory Zone, Pumped, where lost luxury is recovered from the depths of the ocean.
Far from shore, the Argo continues its vital research, a lone beacon against the profound darkness of the deep sea.
Final checks on the Custodian. How are the hydraulics looking?
Green across the board, ready for deployment.
We're green for launch. Deploy the ROV now.
A-frame moving out. Stand clear of the wires.
As the lights cut through the gloom, the object was finally revealed. A standard shipping container, half buried in the silt. Encased in rust and time, the remains of this deep-sea creature guard the helm of the vessel.
Lowering sequence initiated.
Hold at 20 meters.
Copy that, holding steady.
Designed for extreme depths, the Atlas system looms over the target container, making the preceding ROV look like a toy in comparison.
Atlas utilizes a focused water jet to clear the thick layer of sediment from the Countach's chassis rails.
With the underside finally clear, the team can meticulously thread the padded sling under the frame, ensuring millimeter precision to avoid damage.
Woo! Watch out, it's slipping!
Atlas releases the final tether. The cars begin their silent ascent. Illuminated briefly by the submersible's powerful beams,
Phase 2, near-surface extraction. Heavy lift helicopters engaged.
Secure yourselves! Stand by for the approach! Roger that! Bracing now!
Cradle touchdown confirmed.
Releasing the straps now.
All right, pilots, you are clear to depart.
Navigating the Mossman approach at night requires precision. The port of Rotterdam never sleeps.
A gentle, clear chemical solution fills the tank, enveloping the Diablo in preparation for the decontamination process. We begin Stage 1, electrolytic reduction and saltwater ion removal. Over the next 14 weeks, and here, in accelerated time, the corrosion washes away, revealing the deep structural pitting left behind on the aluminum.
The cars are drained and lifted from the tanks, now free of major deposits, but revealing the severe corrosion hidden beneath.
Hold it steady, lowering now.
Clear on this side.
Locked in, perfect fit.
Okay, lower it slowly.
Yep. Watch the left side clearance.
Easy now, bringing it down.
And here it is, chassis number 12345, fully restored to its original museum quality specifications. The contrast between the high-gloss red paint and the matte black trim highlights the aggressive lines of the intake.